Assalamu alaikum, this is RPS Fia and this is the fifth part of the diabetic series or the anti-diabetic drugs. In the previous video, we were discussed about the non-insulin diabetic drugs or oral anti-diabetic drugs that are sulfonyl urea and the different drugs in the sulfonyl urea. So, other insulin secretagogue, sulfonylurea is also the insulin secretagogue. And what are the insulin secretagogue? Insulin secretagogue that promote the insulin release from the pancreas. So, the drugs are repa and natiglenide. Okay. Its oral dose is 0.25 to 4 before meal because it can control the postprandial glucose, and 60 to 120 mg before meal. Its half-life is 1 hour and its duration of action is 4 to 7 hours. Repaglinide, the first member of the maglinitide group, mechanism of action is that of the sulfonylurea as that of the sulfonylurea. So what is the mechanism of action of sulfonylurea? It blocks the potassium channel. It increase the influx of calcium and release the insulin from the pancreas by the process of the exocytosis. It release insulin from the cell. I'm just revising the mechanism of sulfonylurea, and you can see the picture in the previous video number 4, I think. 2 binding site in common with the sulfonylurea and 1 unique binding site. Pharmacokinetic, very fast onset of action, as you can see in the blue picture or the first picture of the video. Peak effect within a 1 hour, duration of action 4 to 7. Mechanism by the cytochrome TAA4, so it have major interaction with the drugs that are the substrate or the inhibitors of this enzyme. Indicated for use in controlling postprandial glucose dosage, and hypoglycemia is a risk. Clearance in renal and hepatic impairment patient must be low or high depending upon the creatinine clearance, so the dose must be maintained in the renally or the hepatically impaired patients. Natiglenide, another drug of this family, or the second drug of this family, diphenylalanine derivative, stimulate very rapid and transit release of insulin from the beta cell through the closure of the ATP sensitive potassium channel, as the same mechanism of action as that of the sulfonylurea, because both are the insulin secretagogue. Partially restore initial insulin release in response to an intravenous glucose tolerance test. A special role in the treatment of individual with isolated postprandial hyperglycemia, and have a minimal effect on the overnight or the fasting glucose level. What is the pharmacokinetics? Ingested or the taken just before the meal. Why? Because it controls the postprandial or after meal glucose level. It is absorbed within 20 minutes with a time to peak concentration of less than 1 hour, metabolized by 2C9 and 3A4, while the previous drug metabolized by 3A4. The overall duration is about 4 hours, and natiglenide has an advantage of being safe in those with very reduced renal function.